Samsung Galaxy S24 FE tipped to launch later this year. Samsung might introduce the Galaxy S24 FE later this year, months after it released Galaxy S23 FE, which was a successor of Galaxy S21 FE, as the South Korean tech giant skipped one model in between. Compared with previous models, the Galaxy S24 FE is likely to follow a similar development path. While earlier predictions hinted at a summer launch, latest information reports suggest that it might debut towards the end of 2024 or early 2025. This timeline matches the release of the Galaxy S23 FE, which came out in October before becoming widely available. Following the launch of the Galaxy S24 series earlier this year, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, attention has now shifted to the Fan Edition line. Initially expected to be released this summer as a simpler version of the Galaxy S24, recent reports suggest a delay in the launch. The codename R12 has emerged, likely linked to the Galaxy S24 FE, following the pattern of previous Fan Edition releases. The Galaxy S24 FE's expected features include a 6.1-inch AMOLED display running on either the Exynos 2400 or a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's likely to have 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1. Additionally, a strong 4500 mAh battery is expected to power the device. Samsung Galaxy's S23 FE was launched in India with an initial price of 59,999 rupees for the 8GB and 128GB RAM in storage model.